Finally, it's done. Oh my god, this took me hours, man. Let me say 4 hours to 5 hours. Room, man. Oh, well, I'm glad I did it, and now everything is neat, clean. Yes. Good morning, Nation. It's a new day. Yes, it is. Let's go. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Let's go. I woke up this morning and it hit me like I need to arrange my room. I need to arrange my room. So today I'm gonna be rearranging my room, man. Like, yeah, I like the way my room is at the moment, though. Like my shelf, like my desk over there, couch over here, and my bed over here. But I'm thinking I need to rearrange this, man. So I'm thinking like this is this everything in my room at the moment. I'm thinking why not? So I'm just thinking why not just put my bed over here and shift the desk here and put the couch over here. I think that would be a great idea, like putting the bed in this direction close to the curtain and putting the decks here, and yes, it's gonna just be free. So that was what I was thinking. Without further ado, let's get the ball rolling. First I'm gonna remove the couch first. Let's go. Then I'm gonna push the decks to the side. Then I'm gonna rearrange my bed over there. I think it's gonna be that easy, but it's gonna take me hours though. Let's go. So guys, I just noticed the bed won't fit here with the desk. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the bed here because I really want to put the bed here. And because when this, why I want to put the bed here, because when the sun shines, I want it to like first hit my face. Because while the bed was usually there, like sun shines, but first it hits my leg and then it goes to my face. So I'm gonna put the bed here. After that, I think I'm gonna put the couch. The couch is gonna remain there, and the desk it's gonna be somewhere around there. I don't know yet. Yeah, we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Okay. Guys, I'm almost done. I just need to set all these wires and all these things on the floor and arrange them. This side of the room is done. Let's go. Now I just need to finish this side of the room. And we're gonna call it a day. I'm tired. I have to put on this face mask because this side of the room, it's really stuffy, a lot of dust, man. Like I have to like cover my nose and start walking. I didn't know that it would be this difficult just to move my bed to the other side. By the way, guys, I do this every time. I think every 2 months or something. But whenever I start, I feel like, yeah, it's easy. But when I'm halfway through, I'm like, oh, is this difficult? Stuff like that. But I think it's needed. Maybe next month I'm gonna change it again, put my bed there. I don't know. But I think I kind of like my bed being there. Nice. And my desk here and the couch here. I think this way is kind of nice. We're gonna see how long it's gonna take me to redecorate it. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna see you when I'm done. What's up, guys? Oh my god, I just finished arranging my room. Finally. Here's the bed. Before my desk was there and the table was there. This one, now it's here, and here's the couch. Finally, it's done. Oh my god, this took me hours, man. Let me say 4 hours to 5 hours. Damn. So this is my workout for today. Let's go. I'm glad I did it, and now everything is neat, clean. Yes. Okay, I think that's gonna be it for today, man. That's gonna be the vlog for today. Me arranging my room. Oh, my back. Let's go. If you guys enjoy it, I don't know. If you do enjoy it, hit the like button, share it to your friends and family. If you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for, man? Hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.